Thank you for the opportunity to let me talk about a monument that I like. One of the monuments that has always fascinated me is the ancient city of Pompeii, located near Naples, Italy. This archaeological site holds a special place in history and offers a unique glimpse into the daily life of the ancient Romans. Pompeii was a thriving Roman city until it was tragically destroyed and buried under volcanic ash during the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Today, Pompeii stands as a remarkably preserved ancient city, providing an extraordinary window into the past. Walking through the streets of Pompeii, one can witness the remarkably preserved ruins of houses, temples, theaters, and public buildings. The city layout, with its narrow cobblestone streets and intricately designed buildings, reflects the ingenuity and urban planning of the ancient Romans. The vibrant frescoes, mosaics, and statues that adorn the walls and structures transport visitors back in time, allowing them to imagine the city's former glory. Pompeii's historical significance and the way it offers a tangible connection to the past are what captivate me the most. Walking through the ruins, I can't help but marvel at the level of detail and the craftsmanship that went into constructing the buildings and creating the intricate artwork. Furthermore, Pompeii allows us to gain insights into the daily lives, culture, and customs of the ancient Romans. Finally, visiting Pompeii is a humbling experience. It offers an opportunity for reflection and contemplation on the impermanence of civilizations and the passage of time.